How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny arms and hands, a step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. First exercise that we're going to do is going to be for the hands. So we're going to do extensions. Keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do twists for the arms. Perfect, quick little break. Next exercise, we're going to do squeezes. So get your hands like this, squeeze really, really tight. Hold this. Keep going, hold for 20 seconds. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're going to do finger curls. Keep going. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to do arm circles. Keep going, 31, 32. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.